Okay, everyone standing in front of the gas-powered 3T22 here. She hasn't ran since probably late last summer, maybe real early fall, so it's been a while. Just poured some fresh gasoline in her. Got the charger sitting on it right now. The battery wasn't stone dead, but didn't have quite enough oomph to crank the motor over, so I'm going to try and start it here with the key. We'll see what happens. Oh, there. Don't sound too bad. Let's pull the brake out of here. Yeah, that was really loud in my ear. No hearing protection. With that chopper spinning about 4 inches from my ear opening, flung a little dirt out at my face, a little dust, maybe some cobwebs or spider eggs or something flew out of there at me. But yeah, she runs. The remote throttle and choke right now, something's goofy with that. I think the batteries in the receiver are probably just dead, but so I had to run that by hand. But yeah, there you go. Woke her up from this little winter hibernation here. Thanks for watching, guys.